Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HMD Skyline, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, it is required, and then we can enter the Play Store, so let's tap on it. Now let's tap on the circle in the right upper corner, which is your account, and of course you will be able to follow my steps if you've got your Google account added. If you're not sure how to do it, simply check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So as I said, tap on the circle and tap on Manage Apps and Device. Now we have to tap on Manage and then tap on Updates Available. And as you can see, in my case, I've got 6 updates. Of course, if you want to, you can mark all of them and update all. If not, you can choose like 1 or 2 or 3, up to you. So let me choose maybe the Google Photos and Calendar. And after that, just tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, your device will right now download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and the apps will be automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.